What's up guys, it's Soin here from the Tech Infos back with another video. So today guys, we're gonna look into this MIVI Duopods M20. Now I purchased this actually back in October of 2020, so you can pretty well understand it has been 6+ months that I've been using this product, and I thought that okay, like I'll make a video after some time, like a long-term review, but it became too long and there were a lot of things. That's the reason I was not able to make videos, and you can pretty well understand the way I'm making video is not the ideal way I do. But anyways, in this video I'll be sharing my raw thoughts about it after using it for 6+ months, and given the current situation where we are stuck at our homes and everything is literally in home, like today the technology is such that you can literally order anything and it will be reaching your place. Anyways, let's keep it short, let's keep it simple, let's get started. Okay, so I said that I'll be keeping it short and simple, but hi MIVI, you have a serious problem in your website. Why I say so? Because I actually forgot what the company was claiming the battery life to be before shooting this video, and I went to their website. So at one place they state that it can provide up to 18 hours of playback and 6 hours per charge. Okay, like your the box can charge 2 to 3 times the AirPods, so like around 18 hours of battery life. Well and good. In another place they have written 20 hours of battery life, and underneath that they have written 18 hours of battery life. And when I go to the battery specifications, they state up to 30 hours of battery life. I'm like, okay, like a single product that we are talking about here, and I don't know what people are doing in MIVI, but this is a serious problem. Please fix it. It is very confusing for the consumers at the end of the day. Okay, so coming to the pros section, the very first thing that I really like about this product, that it is very compact, so you can literally carry it around anywhere, so no problems whatsoever with that. And also it doesn't feel very cheap, like the build is not cheap, so that's a good thing, especially if we consider the price at which it is available. I got it for 949 rupees, so for me it was like blessing in disguise. And also like at present I believe it is available for around 1100 rupees, but still in that price category, getting something from a renowned brand, a well-known brand, an Indian brand, is definitely worth checking out. And so far my 6 months of usage has proven it to be good. No problems, no hiccups whatsoever. Major hiccups I haven't faced, small hiccups I have faced. I'll discuss about it in the later section of the video, but overall the quality of the product is good, sturdy, compact, so that's a good thing. Other than that, the audio quality is good too. It's not exceptional. If you keep your what I'll say, like the expectations level to check, given the price at which it is available, you won't be like you won't feel like okay, like you were cheated or something like that. So yeah, that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. Please do keep your expectations at check, and you won't be dissatisfied, or like you'll be like okay, like I wasted my money whatsoever. But overall the sound quality is really good. The highs, the mids, the lows are well managed in the speaker. But as I said, don't expect too much from a speaker that just cost, like an earbud that cost around 1100 rupees. And another thing that I liked is the battery life. As they claim that the battery life is around 6+ hours, it's kind of true. Like initially I was getting actually more than what they claim. Like I used to get even 7 hours at single charge, but given the fact that the battery health condition has deteriorated with the regular usage, I now get around 3.5 to 4 hours of usage, and I now continuously use, because of, as you know, I have to attend calls, I have to attend video calls, office work, so on and so forth. So yeah, pretty much I'm not complaining, because most of the time I use one earbud, because you know, I have to use it for a prolonged period. I don't want to like use both the earphones for some reason. I don't know why. So for me it is like a double battery power, because once the one earbud battery goes down, I use another, and another automatically charges when I put it in the case. So yeah, that are the good things. I wanted to keep it raw and simple, guys, no fancy words, nothing. So yeah, good battery life, good build quality, and good enough sound for the price that you're paying. Once again, please do keep your expectations at check given the price constraint of the product. So let's go ahead and talk about the cons. There's some, let's discuss about it. Okay, so coming to the cons, yeah, no, I'm moving around. I'm just trying something new. Like, I'm just trying to vlog and like make this a more interactive. I don't want to be like, okay, hey, these are the pros, these are the cons, and just go away, buy it, no buy it, I don't care. No, I want to make it more interactive, more personal, and that's the reason I'm trying to make this video in this way. Anyways, guys, the only one con that I faced, and I feel this is a major one, not exactly a major one, but for me it was a bit concerning. So the ear tip sometimes stays in your ear, as in you remove the earbud, but the ear tips stay in your ear canal. So that's very concerning and alarming for me. Like, it was basically, so what I did was, like any other Indian found a jugaad, what I did, I applied a small amount of dendrite or any other gum you have. You can simply apply it, and I just attached the ear tips on that earbud, and it is working fine, no issues. Like, if you want, like, you can change the ear tips, no issues, like it will easily come off, but just a bit of safety concern that was there. So that is the reason I did that, and that's the only con I have. Please, guys, don't run for hype, like such products, such price. Don't run for hype. Keep it simple, make it simple. It will also make your life simple as well. Believe me, guys, just keep things simple and things will fall into place. You are getting a good product at a good price, no issues whatsoever, good battery life. Yes, 4 to 5 hours of battery life in a earbud is more than enough, believe me, and I have been using it for 6+ months, so you can trust on that. Other than that, like, the speaker has accidentally sometimes fell in the ground and so on and so forth, and it is fine, like it is so far fine, no issues whatsoever. And also, guys, if I talk about the product overall, as in
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Overall, guys, the product is good. I don't want to name any other brands, like there are a lot of brands that you can get in this price segment, but I believe that getting a product from a company that is already well established, a good company, and believe me, guys, they actually called me 2 times to number one, once I registered the warranty in their website, they called me to check out whether the product is working fine or not, and another time they called after 1 or 1.5 months to know once again to whether the product is working fine or not, whether they are satisfied with the product or not. And they asked, if you like the product, please do rate the product. Like, we can understand, like, I am being a part of a company, I can also understand, like, this is something okay, like fine, okay, like they just want the feedback from the consumers so that they can either improve upon the product and also improve the ratings so that people actually know about the product a bit more. So really happy with the experience with my first ever MIVI product, guys. No issues whatsoever. Minor issues, as I already mentioned, no issues, no, like minor issues I faced, but overall I'm happy, for especially for the price that I got. And actually at present, as I mentioned, the current price is fine, like 1100 rupees. You don't get other products at this price that are that good, I believe. And the design, as I said, is good, the build quality is good, the battery life is good enough, and the sound quality is also good enough. Yes, at times at high volume there might be some distortions in very selective like music or songs, but it's fine. Once again, I said, please keep your expectation at check. Don't run for hype, guys. Like, it's high time, like, we understand that, like, if we are not supposed to run for hype, right? Like, we need to be a bit more practical and just choose what we like. Just keep it simple, as I said. So that's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do let me know whether I should go back to the way I used to shoot or keep this a bit more open-ended, a bit more interactive like the way I have kept it. I've kept this simple as I can, guys. So do let me know, did you like this video, being it totally raw, or like you want more professional kind of a video. So yeah, that's all from this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next one. I have planned a few videos. I have purchased few things and I've been using it for quite some time now, so we'll be making videos on those as well. I'll once again try to keep those simple as well. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.